How to insert the checkbox or the tick box in Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add checkbox or the tick box on your Google. So for that you need to open your Google Docs. First of all, choose any document that you want to. Now you can just write anything, just text anything here. Now I want to add the checkbox or the tick box on my Google Docs. So you can see on the down right side. Downside, you will see many things are right here. I'll just tap on the bullet option, which you can see at the last option. When you tap on this, you will also see many other options like numbering, left side, right side, and at the first you will see the very tick option right here. So this is the very tick option, and if you don't want to tick it, then you can just not tick it. So this is how you can add the tick box or checkbox option on your Google Docs very easily. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.